Hey folks, I'm HP, it's drpink, and again it's meditation time. Today is the color green. It's relaxing, it's summerish. Just brings some good vibes into your life. So take a deep breath and start playing green. That's how it sounds. Yeah, so now let's check it out how it works. Even it's a special technique. It's pretty simple to play, so let's check it out. We have basically the chord progression F to G minor to C back to F, which is pretty green, by the way. Yeah, and now with the left hand we make the chords as power chords, so F5, G5 and C5, and the rest happens with your right hand. So you play first figure, the rhythm figure is always the same. We have two different rhythm fingers. We have one just played in 8, so 1, 1 and 2, 2 and. So 1, first the bass, then a ring and pinky with the left hand, and then with the index finger right hand and ring finger right hand. That's one figure. The other figure is like this. This comes first. This is a 60 note, a 5th, 7th to 5th, and then the answer. So this figure just switches between. And then we have a variation. Instead of repeating the same thing again, we make an easy one just above here in the 6th fret, in the 5th fret. Sorry. Now we move to G minor. Same thing again in green. We just move here in the 3rd fret, 5th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8 and 7. And again with here 8, 7, and then we move to C, 3rd fret, 5th, 5th. Here we move on the G string, 7, 9, 8, 7, 9. And second time, and the figure here, 8, 10, 9. Then 8, 7, and there we are at the beginning again. Yeah, so it's very easy to play, so it's even for beginners among you, even it's a special technique which you probably never played before. It's very simple, even if you never did this before. Another trick, if you want to play meditative, as I said, try to couple it with your breathing, so take a deep breath. So that's the hard part, to play the thing with the breathing. Try to also concentrate on the breathing, that your whole system is in flow. It's not about playing fast, it's about playing in flow. You can even play it slower, it's like... You also can try to make more expression with vibrato with the right hand, of course, if you can, and try to give the maximum musical expression for this. So yeah, that's how it works. So I'm gonna play the whole thing now. Now comes a trick with the meditation playing. You can keep this going on for minutes or even hours if you want. Just focus on the breathing and let it flow. I mean, it would really lead too far to now play like for 1 hour or whatever. But these are the main figures. You can just play around with them with as Lego stones or whatever. There are 3 figures which are working, and then you just keep it going. Try to also you can also start slow. Just let something away, but try to keep the flow and the breathing. I need to speak now as well, so it's a little bit difficult for me to do that. Try to create a tension, soft, smooth tension, moves a little bit up, goes a little bit down, just this little travel through valleys, make a little inner voyage. If you can, try to play with closed eyes. I can. Yeah, so everything additional which you do will make it more complex, but basically it's very easy to play. But it's in meditation music, it's not about playing difficult stuff, it's about being in the flow. Don't forget that. And you don't have to play it exactly like this, but these are the figures which you can play. It's very easy to play. Probably get this color lamp to support getting into green if you want. Yeah, whatever. I'm not sponsored by these guys. It's just a suggestion. Yeah, good. If you want to download the sheet music for this and also join my guitar and also meditation community, I'm doing this farbmusik meditation club. I'm going to add some new content soon there. Join there. The meditation club is for free. Downloads, the HPCrazy Students Club as well, but downloads, you need a premium membership. Yeah, so me and Dr. Pink are floating into green.